Host of Amelia Beach Golf Club, Marianne McIntyre and Micah's Place for helping us find this wonderful venue. And as I say, we're taking consignments for our auctions at Greenwich and in Whale Lodge. One of the upcoming highlights at Greenwich is the Bugatti that you will see as you walk out the door. And with that, we conclude today's auction with the 1974 Jaguar E-Type Series III. It's a V12 Roadster, original stick shift car, on present ownership for a dozen years, during which time considerable expense has been invested in its maintenance and restoration work. Very handsome example. And I would like to, it's a no reserve car of course, I would like to open it here. Well, let's put it in at 50, can we say? 50 to start? You got 50 anywhere to start me? 50, 30 he says. 30 at the back then. 30, we're off and running at 30. This is the more at $30,000 only, at $30,000. May I take 32 and a half please? $30,000 it is, 30,000. Can I say 32 and a half please? $30,000 is the offer only, at $30,000. Right at the back at $30,000. Can I say 32 and a half please? 32 and a half now. Can I say 35? 35. Can I say 37 and a half, sir? 37 and a half. 40? 40,000. 42 and a half, sir. 42 and a half. 45. 43, he says. 45, sir? 43 is the offer. Lots of cars for that money. Original stick shift car. 43,000 is offered. Can I take another bid, please? 44,000. 45,000.
Congratulations, right?
Lots of cars for that, sir. Do you want 6? Very pretty car. 46,000, please. 45,000 to my left. Can I say 46? You in, sir, or out? In or out? It's 45,000 here. Do you want another? 46. 46. It's to my right at $46,000. Car is selling all the way at $46,000. $46,000. I can and will sell. No one else waiting at $46,000 against the phones, against the online. We're all done for the day. 46. You're out, sir. Last call at $46,000 then. Your car, sir, please, the number 1026. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for supporting our inaugural sale. We'll be back here next year. We hope to see you then. Have a great weekend. Goodwood, lots of things coming up. Goodwood, where else?